All right, guys, check this out. Dylan's got a dart, right? You think he's got a fuel tank? Nope.
You
got a fuel line.
You got a fuel man.
You got a fuel man.
Make sure we stay full.
You got
my starter switch.
You got a toolbox under his ass.
Got my starter switch.
Dylan's got a starter switch. What are you sitting on, Dylan?
He's on a toolbox too.
You on a toolbox too.
And look, my throttle.
What? Where's your throttle? Where's your throttle?
It's like a.
It's a vice grip.
All right, their hood is being held down by a Mexican. A little bucket of bolts. Dart. Exhaust leak. What the heck's going on over here? You don't know if your brakes work. You got brake lights.
1,000.
Where's your gas pedal at?
Is that in drive now?
Well, let's see this gas pedal. Oh, you're already moving. Push to start. Push to drive.
Oh yeah. It wants to go.
You got a soda in his hand. He's trying to pull on the gas pedal.
I've got a power steering.
AC holder.
Yeah, don't get in it. No, I think it's registered. This is the most ghetto thing I've ever seen. Yanking out a vice grip. This is mostly Ramona. Look at these guys. Oh, that is some redneck stuff right there. All right, guys, I got the chase bike. Chasing them. Oh, there they are. It made it all the way around the building. Do another lap! He's ripping. Dude, your front tire, Dylan, has got the wobbles. Hold up. Oh, dude. Stay to the right when you go around the corner.
You got one left.
Oh, you got one lug on there?
Do I?
Dude, that stuff is so... If your rim's bent. Dude, it smells like you got VP race fuel up in this thing. Dude, that front tire is so... That rim is bent, bro.
Yeah, I probably need them. That's why I got a new one.
Oh my god, guys. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. Dude, the back rim is bent too on the back left. I can't believe you guys are sitting on toolboxes. The freaking hood. They're both holding onto the hood.
I don't think we have it yet. I think it's
The thing runs way too good somehow. Well, go in reverse. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he stalled it. Oh, I almost ran you over. You gotta go back more.
Did I?
Oh, yeah. They're cutting the asphalt out here tomorrow. Well, it says it runs. You should park it out front. So that it's out of the way.
Should I?
Yeah.
Where should I park? I think the e-brake's kind of shitty, so I don't know.
Just push and shift. As long as it's 90 degrees, I can rotate them.
We will just put it right on it.
Do you have to like, is it a cable or what?
No, you twist it.
Oh, it's a twist?
Yeah.
How the hell? So you have cruise control?
That's on there. Kinda. It might slip off again, but whatever.
Oh my god, guys, this is the most entertainment shit yet.
My Allah Akbar switch. Shit, I need to adjust my seat.
The disco ball.
Oh, it's got a rocket chair now.
That's what this shit.
Oh, my disco ball.
Put that shit on, man.
Oh,
I don't
shit.
even know where the disco ball came from.
Disco ball. It might remember still. The throttle vibrates quite a bit.
Dude, let's see if that Pepsi stays up there the whole time.
Disco party time. Let's go!
How are we going to fuel?
Well, I've been trying not to run him over. Wait, get out of the way. I'll be alright. The kitty cat. Oh yeah, I forgot about the hood. Not my throttle. Get my throttle. Get my throttle. Never mind. Never mind, I got it. I put it in neutral. Come on, Mike, brake. Wait, you drop your throttle? I got it. Oh. You warm it? I can't see shit.
Right, on the light.
Oh. Yeah, we'll get that away. It's perfect when it was like this. Oh, there's that light. It's gotta be perfectly centered. There we go.
Oh, watch your head.
Goddamn disco ball. This didn't die.
Don't fucking floor off the lines. We're on tool
Alright,
bus.
drive. What do I do off-roading? Oh, yeah, I still got this thing down here. I turn it on so you can track your phone. Look at this.
Yeah, you got to hold down. Yeah.
See the rudder. We got more brakes than that. I just barely did it.
So we're good on brakes, right?
Yeah, good enough.
Good enough,
Good
man.
enough.
Boom. You don't need brakes. Now we're good.
Is that good enough? Pretty good. Neutral.
Just go a little faster.
Yeah, successful drive, dude. Alright.
How do you feel?
Pretty good. Alright, take this and I'll steal my car. It's on there really
Yeah,
tight.
you got it on there, fucking teeth.
Oh, it's like a spring-loaded trap. I didn't think I was actually gonna do that. Look at that.
This is a setup. Let me know if you guys want to get the chairs, Custom order.
Yeah.
You drinking Bud Light?
Were you on fentanyl when you drove that thing around?
Fuck yeah.
I was high as
I was
fuck,
fit.
too.
Yeah.
God, you guys are such a degenerate.
We're both leaning out the window.
Oh, is that what you were reaching down for? You're just leaning? I thought you
My
were doing the throttle.
I need a throttle catcher. Some kind of device that can catch my throttle when it falls.
Dude, I'll just follow you on this bike. Catch it every time.
That's what it's for.
Ready, Adrian?
Ready for Barona racing?
Dude, Dylan, this Friday,
I need a
street
roll cage.
legal. No, street legal.
Oh, drag racing?
Yeah.
My throttle?
Yeah.
So it falls
All it needs is a helmet. Can we
I'll
take
get
it drag
banned.
racing?
I'll get banned.
I'll build you a throttle.
Yeah.
I just need something to twist.
You need tires too. That are well, we painted them so they look new.
They are new.
They're
Fill
brand
in
new.
the cracks.
Yeah, we filled the cracks with paint. So we're taking them drag racing.
They
Taking
only
it.
leak when they're flat.
Friday.
Guys, 1,000 subscribers. We're drag racing the Dart as is.
With the throttle modification.
Slight throttle
I was thinking about a
modification.
string that goes through a little hook.
Oh, dude, hell yeah.
That's what I thought.
But then it
Right
was
through your
like,
front window?
If it gets stuck somehow. Fuck. Wide open throttle.
Dude, there's a nice little sand
No,
trap at
shut
the end of the
up.
drag strip.
Shut it out. Don't fight.
And if you go past the sand, there's just a cliff. So either way, you're good. The way to stop.
I think my shit would twist in half if I hit the throttle too hard.
Oh, yeah, you got way too
I
much
got
torque
no-
with that slant six, huh?
I got no floor. 2 horsepower.
You should take it to the creek bed like that.
Oh shit, yeah,
Dude.
I bet it would do off-roading
would,
real
'cause,
nice
dude,
because
that'd
it's
be
so
cool.
smooth. Yeah, it could go through some stuff.
It could-
Just need to make it to work.
Right down the street, like one block. Well, a block and a
I
block.
hope my
then a
fucking
block.
throttle don't fall off in the 67.
Dude, your boss would freaking laugh so hard if you pulled up in that thing. With goggles on your head. Dude, just borrow my race helmet. Just close the freaking front lid on it.
It's gonna go like this.
Take the blower out of the little helmet blower out of the car.
Little slit. This is my windshield wipers.
No, I got tear offs, dude. You just tear off the freaking lens and you got a good new
Well,
vision.
my eyeballs. Tear off my eyebrows too. Yeah.
Yeah, no wax your
I need
face.
contact lenses so I can. So when mud gets on my eye, I can just.
Goggles.
No, contact lenses.
Underwater goggles.
Losing brain cells by the second right now. Stupid.
Yeah,
None of that was like logical.
Yeehaw, bro.
Yeehaw, brother. That's Dylan's YouTube channel. Like freaking
Yeah,
signature move.
I don't got nothing.
I don't got nothing.
I don't got Facebook, Instagram, nothing.
We're gonna get you a YouTube channel here in a minute.
I got Snapchat.
YouTuber,
I got Snapchat,
Yeah.
YouTube. That's it.
Dude, he's gonna make me famous and I'm gonna make him famous. That's how it works.
Still gonna be home.
Yeah, me too.
No
You
matter
just live
how
in that
rich-
car.
No matter how rich I get,
Well, because you
I'm
will
gonna
have.
sleep on my.
Yeah, I was thinking.
I'm gonna
Because
sleep right here in the.
you do too much fentanyl, and you pay too much in rent, and you're addicted to
If I
Amazon.
didn't have rent, I'd be rich.
If we didn't have Amazon Prime, Dylan would be rich.
Goddamn.
And drug
fucking
dealers.
Amazon, bro.
He's gonna let the
Take
green
out.
papers get more green. He's not gonna spend it.
Yeah.
He's gonna have them on the triangle. Hold them.
What kind of shit is this? What is going on? Oh, is this how you like sip and smoke?
No, but they don't fit.
Damn.
Damn, what the? Never tried this.
Dude, you're inventing. No, put that dark net can right now. Do it.
No, that's some British shit or something.
The British.
No, this is some new. This this is a trend right now, guys. If you don't drink your beer and smoke your dart like this,
Oh shit. That's what it's 78. Going down.
Someone took a fit nap.
That's sick, dude.
Can I do it while I'm fent mint?
the longer you record, the dumber he gets. Oh no! 5-second rule.
Yeah.
Yeah. Freaking Adrian.
I breathe in brake dust and rust all day.
Yeah,
I'm
that's like filtering your system right there.
That's how I didn't get COVID. Because I just kept smoke. Somebody died. so the steering wheel would just decapitate you.
So we're asking questions right now.
Like,
What would happen if Dylan got pulled over?
And
And why the reasons are he's going to get pulled over? 1, no headlight.
what are the reasons
2,
he's gonna let me go?
Yeah, what the reason you're going to
Disco
let
ball?
he's going to let you go because he just feels sorry for your ass. But
Yeah, that's how I get away with it every time.
no headlight, no front turn signals, no windshield, no.
Well, I took him out. I just
Wait,
gotta
why
put
would the steering wheel decapitate you?
Oh, because it's just a straight shaft to the steering box. So like,
Yeah,
that's-
like where the
it would impale your chest and you would die.
the steering box where the wheels are. So if you hit your tires, however much it moves on the tires, it goes up into the steering wheel.
Yeah,
That's terrifying.
people used to die like.
So
all the
they
time
made
because of that.
collapsible steering wheels. So when you get
telescoping steering
hit, they
columns.
go in the telescope, so
Yeah.
they don't kill you.
Kinda.
They did that like in the 70s, I think. They started.
It was
making
just a
them.
roll pin that had to shear.
Yeah.
But yeah, no taillights,
And
no seats.
the steering wheel.
No
is a
floorboards,
giant, solid
no
steel
gas
ring
pedal.
It's like this big,
That would rule.
hooked up to the shit.
It's got a double roof.
Oh, yeah.
No hood.
No, I got hood.
The tires are freaking out of DOT date. Your gas can's in the driver's seat, passenger seat.
Don't
Your
flare.
your best friend, your passenger
Should I
side.
just have a little coaster that like a dolly, and it's just riding next to the.
Oh, like you should put it like in like a trailer.
Like a motorcycle attachment, you know.
You should make a dolly trailer where the dolly is just tied to the back of your car with a gas can on the back of it.
Gas. Getting pumped.
A
in the
long
back.
hose running through the
Dude,
back
that's
window.
Mad Max right there.
Oh yeah.
Let's make it Mad Max style.
Let's go. Take it to cruise night this Thursday. Let's go. Is it registered?
I need money.
Dang it, we do too. I do
I
too.
spent all of it on tools,
Again?
and I don't even have enough.
Oh yeah.
I'm out of beer.
Again?
We
Always
got
we
our own
go.
drag strip now with the lions.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Right, Adrian?